Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix too many redirects on ChatGPT. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. The too many redirects issues are often caused if the ChatGPT server is overloaded with traffic, or it can also occur because of slow and unstable internet connection. First, check if your computer or your device is connected to a stable internet and try opening up a different web browser and try logging into your ChatGPT account. Sometimes just changing into a different web browser might work in this situation. If you're connected to a VPN, try disconnecting it first, since your VPN might be interfering with your network, which might lead to ChatGPT redirect issue. Another thing you can do is to clear out your ChatGPT cookies. From your web browser, click on the three dots at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, click the settings button. Now, from the settings menu, click on Privacy Search and Services. Scroll down and find the Choose What to Clear button. Under Clear Browsing Data, select a time range that you would like to clear out your data from, and then check these two little boxes that says Cookies and Other Site Data, Cached Images and Files. Remember that do not check any other boxes but these two, and click on Clear Now. Soon after you clear out your data, you can go back to your ChatGPT web page and try refreshing your page once. You can also try logging out of your ChatGPT account by clicking on the log out button at the bottom left, and once you log out, log in back again like you normally do. If nothing else works out, you can try rebooting your device. Simply go ahead and restart your device like you normally do, and once you are done, go back to your ChatGPT account and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are going through ChatGPT too many redirect error. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.